Ever walked into a room and wondered,
what were they thinking?
Well, get ready to step into the Norwegian Viva 2-bedroom family villa where we'll figure out just that. We'll see what's awesome about this place and what makes us scratch our heads. So buckle up and join us as we uncover the mysteries of this cabin. What were they thinking? Let's find out together. Hello, I'm Thia from Traveling with Thia, and today we're diving into the pros and the cons of staying in the 2-bedroom family villa on Norwegian Cruise Line's Viva, which is Norwegian Cruise Line's newest ship. Stick around to the end because I'll share how you can win a free cruise. So let's set sail on this adventure together and uncover what makes this accommodation a hit or a miss. Let's delve straight into the pros. Firstly, having 2 separate bedrooms with a door for privacy is a major plus. Alongside that, you'll find 2 bathrooms, a cozy sitting area, and a spacious deck, and a designated butler area, all within the confines of Norwegian's newest ship, ensuring a pristine, aesthetic, pleasing environment. The bathrooms are thoroughly equipped with luxurious Luxiton bath amenities, complete with a rain shower head and sleek glass doors. A standout feature for me was the separate toilet area, providing added privacy. Plus, there's no shortage of power outlets with plenty of 110-volt and USB ports, though a converter may be needed for our European guests. The exclusive haven area at the back of the ship offers private elevators reserved solely for haven guests, enhancing the feeling of exclusivity and luxury. And for you coffee drinkers, the espresso coffee maker in the cabin adds a touch of indulgence. And don't forget the complimentary water replenished daily. As for snacks, the butler goes above and beyond, leaving little treats like M&Ms and gummy bears, and accommodating special requests such as allergies with offering of prosciutto and vegetables. These small gestures truly elevate the experience, making every moment on board the Viva memorable. Before we delve into the cons, though, I want to extend a warm invitation to join the Traveling with Thia community. It is absolutely free to join. Simply hit that subscribe button and hop over to Facebook or Instagram to follow me there. I'm passionate about cruising, and I'm here to help you make the most of your next cruise. If you have any questions or need any advice, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. I'm here to provide you with my best answers. Let's embark on this journey together and make unforgettable memories at sea. Now, let's delve into the cons. It is crucial to have a transparent understanding before you book a room. So I'll lay it all out. While the cabin boasts undeniable beauty and comfort, there are areas that could use improvement. Norwegian Cruise Line advertises this cabin to accommodate 6 people, with a king-size bed in the master bedroom, a queen-size bed in the second bedroom, and a pull-out couch in the family room. However, unlike other cruise lines, these beds do not separate, which may not suit everyone, especially if you have siblings preferring their own space. I know my kids don't want to sleep together. With 3 generations of family in mind, storage becomes a pressing issue. Unfortunately, there simply isn't enough. There are cubbies under the bed, and there is a drawer on either side of the bed, and 2 in the nightstand, and 1 in the closet. And in the second bedroom, the closet is tiny, offering minimal space, with just 2 drawers under the bed and a tiny few in the closet. And the family room has no storage at all. Moreover, there is no dedicated space for getting ready. While a stool is provided in the master bathroom, the counter space is limited, and a lack of convenient outlets for styling your hair presents a logistical nightmare. I had to do mine in the closet. And now if you had multiple people getting ready simultaneously, it would be a nightmare. It is worth noting that the standard rooms in the Haven provide a vanity. Yet, this feature is notably absent in the family villa. Additionally, the square footage of the Norwegian Viva's Haven family suite falls short compared to similar accommodations on other ships, such as Explore the Seas 2-bedroom grand suite. I'll leave a link to the video for that right here. Despite these shortcomings, some perks are lacking, like free happy hour and free Wi-Fi, which could be considered essential considering the fare. Overall, while the cabin has its charm, there are notably areas where improvements are needed to enhance the guest experience. Another consideration is the bathroom layout. With each one situated inside a bedroom, this setup means that at night, whoever is sleeping on the couch would need to enter one of the bedrooms to use the restroom. While not always a significant inconvenience, it does compromise privacy to some extent. Additionally, it's crucial to have your butler explain the intricacies of the light switches. While the lighting options are excellent, they are quite confusing without proper guidance. Make sure to stay to the end to find out how you can win that free cruise. In summary, the Norwegian Viva's 2-bedroom family villa offers luxurious amenities, separate bedrooms, premium bathrooms, and personalized service. However, accommodating 6 people might be challenging due to the limited storage and bathroom access. While I enjoyed my experience with Norwegian Cruise Lines and the Haven, families should consider these factors before booking. Now, want to learn how you can win a Disney cruise? It's super easy. Just go to my website and you'll see a pop-up window that says you could win 2 magical Disney vacations in one. Just fill out your information and you'll be entered to win. There is no need to buy anything and the rules are on the site. Good luck in the contest and happy cruising.